Lisa loves Tyler.
I don't love Tyler.
No, yeah,
he's just a sexy bitch.
He is sexy. I would knock down some doors. I would definitely let him knock down some doors.
Don't mind the stupid sound effects, we're just really bored.
What do you mean? Well, yeah, I am. I'm tired. Do you know what time it is? It's 1:06 in the morning.
It's 1:06 in the morning.
Holy fuck.
We're gonna try and stay up till at least 3.
Oh, check out the other videos from I'm That Chick.
Check out the other videos from I'm That Chick 96 on YouTube. My screen name, I'm That Chick 96. Look at them.
They're pretty cool.
They're awesome.
You know, it's basically a result of one night of boredom.
Yes.